Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create scraps of paper with highlights in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds and then hit OK. Now I'll go to select the rectangle tool and I'll draw a shape that matches the size of our frame. And I'll name it paper. Okay, yeah. Now I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC particle world, drag and drop. Okay, this is very good. Okay, now I'll go to particle and set line to quad polygon. Okay, then I'll go to physics, go to velocity, I'll change it to 0 like that and see. Yeah, this is very good. Stretch the circle to match the size of the frame. Then take the center of the ellipse and move the particle emitter above the upper edge like that. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, this is very good. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay. So now I'll go to birth rate and I'll change it to 0.3 like that. Okay. Also gravity, I'll change gravity to 0.1 and see. Okay, now I'll go to longevity and I'll change it to 7 and see. Okay, now I'll go to birth rate and I'll change it to 0.18. Also death rate, death size, I'll change it to 0.21 and see. Okay, this is very good. Now rotation speed, I'll change it to 350 and also entire rotation, I'll change it to 250. Okay, yeah, this is very good. Okay. Okay, now I'll go to gravity vector, open it, and I'll change gravity x to minus 0.07. Okay, sorry, minus 0.07. Okay. Also gravity z, I'll change it to minus 0.02. Okay, and see. Okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to producer and I'll change also radius z to 0.07. Okay. And now I'll go to paper and Control D to copy. Okay, now go to particle and I'll change the colors. I'll choose this color. Okay, yeah. And also I'll change the red one. Something like that. And I'll add also some changes here. So I'll go to producer and I'll change radius X to 0 to 1. Yeah. And also position Y, I'll change it to 0.4 minus 0.40 and see. Okay, again, I'll go to particle, Control D to copy, and I'll go to particle, I'll change these colors also. You can choose any color you want. Okay, I'll choose this one and also okay. Yeah. And then move paper 3 like that. I'll push it something like that and see. Yeah. Again, Control D to copy, and I'll go to particle, change the color, choose any color you want. Okay, I'll take green. Also here. Yes. Also I'll push paper 4 and see. Okay. This is very good. So now I'll go to layer and I'll add adjustment layer. Okay, and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type CC light rays. Okay, drag and drop or double click. Then I'll go to radius. I'll change radius to 10. Okay, and we have a point here. I'll move this point, and as we can see, now we have arrays on this paper. Control D to copy, and I'll move this point again, and I put this here. Control D again to copy and take also here. Something like that. Okay. Yeah. And let me see this. Now we have highlights on these scraps of paper. Then I'll go to effect, stylize, and I'll add a glow. Okay, let me change threshold. I'll increase it, and also glow radius, I'll increase it. Okay, and see. So now we have scraps of paper with highlights like that. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.